All right, so we are in Camden, Tennessee, headed to the SOE Festival, Self Reliance Festival at SOE, I'm sorry. So, we'll see how this goes.
Here we are. Well, on Honeysuckle Farms, but not on Honeysuckle Farms. We are at the Self Reliance Festival, and we are in a tent. I really like this tent setup this time. It has purple seats, but it has been so cool. We got to see Billy Bond from Pullman Pastures Farm and talk with him, and we got to meet Michelle Bond from Pullman Pastures Farm. And it was super fun to get to talk to them. We got to see some friends from back to the land, and it has just been a super fun time. Bye! Oh, and if you're watching, I miss you, William! Oh my Lord!
Watch him. Watch him. Good one. Take him. Good take. Good take. Good take.
Maniacal.
Good take. Good take.
Yes. She has a really good grip.
Good take, hero. Good take. Stop fighting the dog and I'll call her off. Stop fighting the dog. Arrow, out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good go. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go all the way. Good go. Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Stop fighting the dogs and we'll call them off! Stop fighting the dogs and we'll call them off! Out! Let's go! May! Let's go! Booey! And let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Just to clarify, that dog training footage that you just saw was actually performed as a demonstration today at a festival we were at. The demonstration was put on by Fortress Canine. They're a company out of Florida with a couple of satellite offices, one to include in Houston. And we had crews from the Florida and from the Houston location present today to do this demonstration. They had multiple dogs. They did a lot of demonstrations and gave a great presentation on training your own dogs. So that's what it was. Thank you, Fortress Canine, for providing such a great demonstration for everybody today. Remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget, leave us a comment. We want to hear from you. Hit that bell button, get our notifications. I think it's that bell button or that. Hit the bell button and get our notifications. All right? Thank you, guys. We'll see you soon at Honeysuckle Farm. And until then, keep growing.